What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best canister vacuum in 2022. We made this list based on our personal opinion, and we ranked them in no particular order after we did our research based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and more. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started with the video. Number 1. Bissell Zing Bagless Canister Vacuum. Looking for something a little cheaper? Check out the Bissell Zing Bagless Canister Vacuum. It's not ideal for carpets, but this nifty canister vac gets the job done on hard floors and upholstery. Our tester described the suction power of the vacuum as fast and impressively strong, noting that it picked up dust and debris that they didn't even know was there. There is also a hard floor mode and carpet mode, so you can tailor the vac's suction power to the surface you're tackling. Now, it certainly leaves something to be desired. When it comes to maneuverability, the floor head didn't swivel as much as our tester would have liked it to, but the naturally compact design of the vacuum made it relatively easy to get into nooks and crannies. In addition, the power cord, at 15 feet, is on the shorter side, but the vacuum does come with a telescopic wand and a crevice tool to elevate your cleaning routine. What's more, the bagless design means you won't have to shell out more money on replacement bags, which is ideal. Ultimately, this budget-friendly vac will be a loyal sidekick on cleaning days and offers much of the same power and features of a more expensive pick. Pros: automatic cord rewind. Hair doesn't get tangled. Simple emptying process. Lightweight design. Cons: relatively short power cord. Number 2. Eureka Whirlwind Bagless Canister Vacuum Cleaner. This multi-surface canister vacuum has a bagless 5-liter canister with reusable filters that can be washed as needed between uses, along with a detachable dusting brush. It has a crevice tool attachment that's integrated within the handle of the vacuum for ease of use. Plus, it's only $73. It is the most quiet vacuum cleaner we ever owned. Lightweight. The suction is extremely powerful and easy to empty the tank, said a shopper. It is also very easy to wash the tank parts and filters. This super light vacuum uses a 10-amp motor, yet weighs only 8 pounds, and it can hold up to 3 liters of dust and dirt in its dust container. The accessories use a snap-fit connection system, allowing the user to pop parts on and off the wand easily and creating a tight seal to maintain suction. Emptying takes only the push of a button while you hold the container over a garbage can. It comes with a 16-foot cord, a combination floor head, and a wand brush for curtains or furniture. Plus, the filtration system components are all washable, so you'll save money on filters as well as bags. Pros: lightweight. Easy snap and fit connection. Great for hardwood floors. Easy to push and pull. Cons: short power cord. Number 3. Kenmore 400 Series Bagged Canister Vacuum. Designed for carpeted homes, this canister vacuum has a dual motor system for extra power and a HEPA filter that traps 99–97% of dust particles and allergens, according to the brand. Along with 3 cleaning attachments, it has a handy telescoping wand that extends up to 9 feet, allowing you to reach higher areas with ease. With over 3,200 5-star ratings, it's loved by shoppers for its suction power, long nozzle, and maneuverability. One reviewer wrote, "My friend recommended this vacuum and I was skeptical at first, but man, this is a mean machine. My carpets feel and look new." The attachments make cleaning small corners very easy. I even vacuumed the ceilings. Pesky pet hair, allergen-inducing dust, and inconvenient crumbs are no match for the cleaning power of this sweeper. The smaller handy appliance tackles hardwood, laminate, and carpet with ease, thanks to its multi-purpose all-floors capability. Strong airflow through the hose makes it a good choice if you use attachments often. Kenmore canisters earn average scores for both predicted reliability and owner satisfaction in our member survey. Pros: HEPA filter. Telescoping wand. Motorized pet attachment. Its multi-purpose all-floors capability. Cons: heavy. Number 4. Miele Compact C1 Turbo Team Bagged Canister Vacuum. The Miele C1 Turbo Team Bagged Canister Vacuum is expensive, but also has plenty of winning qualities that make it worth the investment. Our testing team gave it great ratings across the board, and were particularly impressed with how it performed on hard floors, low-pile carpet, and high-pile carpet. They rated it 4 5 stars for cleaning effectiveness on these surfaces, saying it required just 2 passes to pick up the cereal even. On the high pile carpet, the vacuum clogged up a bit on the medium pile carpet after sucking up the hair, which landed the vac with an overall effectiveness rating of 4 stars, and does make it less suitable for a household with pets. It was easy to reach under our low-sitting couch and coffee table, thanks to a telescopic wand. You likely would get tired carrying it up and down the stairs several times on cleaning day. Now, with a 375-quart bag, you will be able to do more cleaning at one time. With this canister vacuum in tow, it takes a while to fill it up, which is ideal since you have to purchase replacement bags separately. Boasting 6 suction settings and a self-winding cord, this canister vacuum pulls out all the stops to clean your surfaces and is, all in all, built to last. Number 5. Eureka Mighty Might 3670M Corded Canister Vacuum. This bagged canister vacuum features a powerful 10-amp motor despite its tiny size and its tiny price. It weighs less than 9 pounds, so it's a breeze to carry upstairs or out to your vehicle, yet can carry up to 2.5 liters of dust and dirt. It includes a floor head, 2 extension tubes, a crevice tool, and a furniture/curtain brush. Plus it has a blower port that turns the vacuum into a blower for clearing off workbenches or leaves from a deck. The Mighty Might boasts an ample 20-foot power cord. And it comes with 5 bags for even more value. Its compact, lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver in tight spots, and it also happens to be remarkably easy to maintain, which is made of a pair of plastic tubes and can fall apart if they aren't put together with sufficient force. You'll also need to replace its filters and dirt bags periodically, if you don't want to deal with the expense of replacing filters and dirt bags. The Eureka Whirlwind bagless canister is a good option, though it has an even shorter range, so you'll need to swap outlets when cleaning bigger rooms. Pros: affordable, compact unit, easy to carry, multiple attachments. Cons: no built-in storage for the attachments.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.